Hello friends, I am Shiv. Today I will talk about the new ICO medical chain. What is medical chain? Medical chain is the blockchain technology for secure storage and transfer of electronic health record EHR. This may become a revolution in the medical field. Then this medical chain. This is the first UK based company to bring blockchain technology to the healthcare industry. What it is, medical chain will enable different healthcare agents like doctors, hospitals, laboratory, pharmacists, and insurers to request a permission to access and interact with the medical record. Each interaction is audible, transparent, secure, and will be recorded as a transparent and medical chain distributed ledger. It means this is the facility to the patient who can control their data and give the access to different type of agent of the medical field. How it works? In first step, data is generated. This could be by patient, wearable device, or doctor notes, scan, medicine dispensation. Step 2, data is encrypted and given an ID to the patient. Third, data is requested by some agent of healthcare sector. ID on the blockchain is used to retrieve the encrypted data that is given by the patient to the particular person who want to access the data of patient. Step 4, the data is decrypted and displayed on the relevant device or application. Then this is the way how it works. This will become a revolution in the medical field. Again and again I am saying, the key feature of this, patient will have the capability to provide a different level of access to the various user and grant the access or revoke the access. It may grant the access or revoke the access at any point of time. Hence, patients will have full control over their data. Or this is using the blockchain technology, then data can only be accessed by the patient private key. Even if the data is hacked, the patient data will be unreadable because it is mixed with the blockchain technology. Second feature of this technology is licensing the health record. Medical chain will connect the research institute with the users who are willing to have their health data used in the study in a health data market. User will give clear information how their data is being used or what data will be required, and in return participant will be compensated in MET token. In this way, patient will monetize their health data record. He can give their health data, and in return he will get the MET token which he will trade. Third feature, telemedicine communication. In current scenario, telemedicine is going on, but in current scenario, telemedicine provide only visual consultation, not access to the longitudinal health record. But medical chain technology will give the doctor that he will access the record of patient in more in depth. This will give the instantaneous transfer of medical data at any place in this world. Fourth feature, app development platform. App development platform on the top of medical, where the third party developer to build the decentralized app on the medical chain platform. Possible health app could include medication assessment, wearable data interactivity, fat measurement app, diet, nutrition, advice, and more. Hence, this can be benefited to the patient. Now, I will talk about the ICO sale of MED tokens. The date will be 1 Feb 2018. Price will be 0.25 US dollar. Pre-sale is going on. Minimum investment is around $5,000. I post the link which can you use for registration for pre-sale which is going on. Payment mode is Ethereum and Bitcoin. Both can be accepted. Ethereum and Bitcoin. And first, last thing, citizen, resident, and or taxpayer of USA is not allowed for ICO sale or pre-sale which is going on. And last, what is the objective of MED token? MED token objective, that is medical chain, provide a solution to today's health record problem. The platform is built to securely store and share electronic health record by digitizing health record and empowering users. We can leverage countless industry synergy. Hence, it will benefit to the whole medical system along with the patient, hospital, doctors, research institution. Whole medical field will be benefited by this medical chain technology. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please comment, like, subscribe right now. Thank you very much.